Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine from Nature Style. Today we have a nail tutorial. I'm going to apply these nail stickers on my nails, make a nail design stylish. I purchased this from AliExpress, I believe. It's one of the nail decors I bought one time in bulk. So we're gonna use this nail sticker to create some fun designs on my nails. I already had my nails done and applied I applied just the nail polish. I don't have a top coat on my nails. It's just the nail polish I applied. The purple lavender nail polish I applied on my nails. No top coat. A top coat is always the last thing. If you still have to work on your nails, do some designs on your nails, do not apply the top coat. So after you apply the nail polish, you could go ahead and apply what you want to do. Sometimes nail decors or stickers don't have glue. I know it's sticker, but sometimes the glue is not like strong enough. Then you could use your glue, your gel uh, your gel glue for nails. But this one was um, it had enough adhesive to stick on the nails, so I didn't need to use it. So I'm just pressing it down using my tweezer, pressing it down. See, there's a lot of designs on that template, so you could choose whatever you want to choose. At the end, I was like, I should have used something else, but let's just go ahead for the purpose of the video to show you how to design your nails with nail stickers. So I used that, and I'm like, I love this one. So that's how you pull it out of the paper. If you notice, there's like the clear glue is around the design, very clear. That's not really noticeable, but that helps to pick it up from the paper. So I place it down like so, and then I use my tweezer again to flat it down. As you can see up there, I need to cut it up, and down also I need to cut it up. So that's how I applied it, and I press it down for the glue to stick to the nail. Because when you apply on this, most nail polish, when you apply them, they have this sticky feel. So added to the sticky feel of the design sticker, it just helps it stick together. So I'm gonna go with my pair of scissors. I couldn't find my little scissors, so I went with my big sewing cutting scissors. So I'm cutting the excess that's at the top and at the bottom. If you adjust this, it's a little bit all over the place, a little bit on my right. So I had to push it down, pull it back down so it don't be like right into my cuticles. So like that, I'm cutting that down. All right, listen, your girl wanted to do something new, something different. Listen, I'm not good at applying all these pencils and these pens and these little brushes. Today is kind of one of the first day I did a good job applying nail polish without having it all over the place. So I thought I could create a design with a little brush, like a straight line, but it was not successful. Look at that. I don't know, it's because I'm not stable or I move a lot. I don't know, but this always failed me. So I wanted to add in something, give it more design. And I went ahead with my little brush and black nail polish to create these lines that end up not to be what I wanted to do. But I tried. We made some design out of this. So I went ahead with my black nail polish and letter line brush, and that's what came out of it. So I had to go ahead. It's over. It's already done. I had to continue because I couldn't wipe it over. It would have been a big mess. So let's take on the nail sticker part of the design. And if you're not good, like at drawing things, I think I'll do better drawing for somebody, not drawing for myself. I need to practice more to draw on my own nails. Yeah, I think I'll do a tutorial on drawing on another nail and see what happened. I need to practice more, but that's what came out of that. And I'm gonna add more lines here. We're already in. Let's just keep going. Then I use some glitters too, and use some glitters to draw some lines, do small decors on the other nails. So that's what I did. It's so funny. Oh God. I'm going in with the glitters, so I'm no more black because that drawing is not those lines. Okay, I'll go with the glitters because the glitters are like more less visible. So I apply the glitters on the other nails because these other two already messed up. I messed it up. But it still came out to be something because everybody was like, I love your nails. I love your nails. I did it myself. Oh, wow. So we need to learn how to do our own nails. We need to learn how to create and save money, especially saving money. Because it's been years now that I don't go to the nail salon, and I save a lot of money because I used to go to the nail salon a lot because I always love my nails to be done. So that's what I did on both hands. I created a design. Also, don't forget, I forget. When you apply these lines, put it under the UV lamp for like 40 seconds before you apply your top coat, or how you call the other thing that are rubber. You could put a rubber base. I apply the rubber base when the sticker is really thick. When I feel like the sticker didn't really stick on my nail, I apply the rubber base. The rubber base is like a clear top polish, but the job of the rubber base is like a rubber. It's holding things together. When you apply rubber base before you put the nail top coat, it holds your design more. It covers it more from any pressure. So I didn't apply the rubber base because my stickers were light and they stick to the nail, and I just had some lines, so I didn't really need a rubber base. So I went straight to applying the top coat. After curing these lines for 40 seconds, I applied the top coat. And that was my result. Thank you for watching to this time. And keep watching. And if this helped you, put a thumb up. Try and tell me what your result was. Try to draw with a little pencil some straight lines. And show me or tell me what your result were. Take care, and I catch you on the next one. The video is not over. Just keep watching.